See this background? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to turn this from a plain, stupid Audacity background to one of the really cool ones that I got from one of these websites that Audacity put into their Wikipedia page. So if you guys aren't familiar how to change the theme on Audacity normally, let alone put in a custom one, step 1, go over right next to Files and Edit. Go all the way down to Preferences, which is also Control P command. Make sure you're under Interface. You want to make sure that you go to Theme, and then you have a whole bunch of options to either do light, dark, high contrast, or custom. So you're going to want to click on custom. I'm going to leave it how it is for right now until I show you guys how to get themes downloaded. After you put it on classic, you'll realize that yours still kind of looks the same. What's the deal? Step number 2 is going to be open Google or click on the link down in the description. And the website that you guys are going to want to go to is Audacity Theme Repository. So after you search that bad boy, click on the first one right there, and then you'll be brought to this page. So then you guys can scroll down and see there's a couple cool ones that they give you right off the bat. Now this one, which I personally, in my opinion, is the coolest looking one, you do have to pay for it. It makes it look like Adobe Audition, so that's cool. I'm going to show you guys how to get the Dark Ice one, but you basically follow the same format for every single one of these. Now, once this comes up, say that you were downloading into the pictures, right? Say you're just like, oh yeah, here's all my pictures, I'm just going to save it here. Well, that's not going to work that way. So what you're going to want to do is go to Windows. Once you go up to the search bar at the top, if you remember your Minecraft days, this is when it's going to come in handy. Say it with me. %app data %. Also add /Audacity. Boom. That'll bring you to your Audacity file where you can find plugins, macros, and themes. And if that file's not there, just create one called themes. I want to double click on themes. I created an extra themes folder thing just to have. See how this one is labeled image cache? Anytime you guys are trying to do a new one, you definitely have to make sure that it's labeled image cache and it's a PNG file. If you don't, it won't work. And now that that's saved as that, I can drop this bad boy into there. And this one's here. Cool. Jump back onto Audacity. Go back to Edit, Preferences. Go back to Interface. Make sure that you click on Custom this time. And press OK. And then voila. Turns out this one might actually be one of the worst ones. So hold on. Voila. Now it is sleek, cool, blah, 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 blah. You got that cool little blue highlight over it, all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. This was a quick one. I just wanted to show you guys how to do this because it was something I was messing around with, and I figured out how to do it. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, and I will see y'all in the next one.
Feel the vibe when I'm dancing to the